Let me get my flashlight and see if the holes line up. It almost lined up. That was so close. It was literally right there. I'm kind of used to doing things over and over again if I have to. I don't care. It's no big deal. That's how you lose screws, man. Okay. They all need to go out. I'm just worried about stripping it. This hex tool works, but it's not like 100% perfect. I feel like if I over tighten it too much, it will strip it. And I will cry. You know what, I'm gonna take it all out and I'm gonna reseat it and I'm gonna make sure it goes all the way in. So if I have to do this a third time, I'm gonna cry. And I'll probably end up losing something. Scooter takes a lot of maintenance. It's like you're good for the first few months and then all the maintenance stuff starts to come out and you're like, oh shit, there's a lot of work with it. That sounds pretty solid now. Nice solid snap. It is flat, I know that. It is next to the holes that it needs to be. I know that. So I'm screw it all in.